Hi, I'm Amanda Wooden, registered dietitian and part of your Strong4Life team. Today, I'm going to be making a Mediterranean bowl. First, we're going to start with chickpeas, za'atar seasoning, and olive oil. You can give that a stir and mix it into a hot pan for 7 minutes. While that's cooking, start assembling your bowl. We're going to take lettuce, mixed greens, whatever you've got, rice, cucumber, tomato, red onion, black olives, and feta. And you're going to top that with your chickpeas. For more recipes and resources, visit Strong4Life on Care Course Connection.